You should know that any profile that is not a page, you cannot monetize it on Facebook. So if you want to monetize your profile, can you do it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your profile to a page so that you can easily monetize it, or how you can show interest so that you can get invitation easily for you to monetize your Facebook profile. So join me in this video so that let me show you the step-by-step on how to turn your profile to a professional page that you can easily monetize on Facebook. So before we dive in, if you have seen my page for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this page so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you like and help me to share this video so that others will see this video. So to turn your Facebook to the professional mode that you can start posting content on it so that you can monetize that your profile just like a Facebook page. So what you need to do is open your Facebook. So go to that Facebook, open it, then click on this three dots on your right hand side, then click on your profile name. So it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing is you click on these three dots on your right hand side, then you click on professional, turn on professional mode. So it will bring you to this interface, then you click on turn on. So you're also done for some minutes, then it's going to turn on your professional mode. So it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing you will choose public. So make sure that it's on public, so that anytime you post under your professional mode, the post will go to public feed, and Facebook will recommend the video to other people. So you click on next. So you click on confirm. So you click on done. So you have successfully turned on your professional mode. So let's go back and check. You can see now this place is now showing followers and following. So if you click on see dashboard, now you can see that you have a dashboard where you can monitor what is happening in your profile. Before there was no see dashboard. So if you click on see dashboard, it will bring you to this interface. So from here you can monitor your progress in your content creation. So if you click on monetization, so you can see the different item that you can be monetized for. So this is how to create a professional mode, just like a page, so they can start making money from your content. So if you got value from this video, make sure that like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So I will see you in my other video.